Well, another morning in paradise. Well, this place is a great place to stay. I had a comfortable bed, was able to do laundry, slept well, and now I'm pretty much packed up and ready to go. But I thought I'd come out here, take one last little walk through the garden, check out some of the fruit trees, and then hit the road. My enthusiasm about riding up this volcano in the Vog is just so low today. I think I'm gonna go check out the public transit system, see if I can't get a little bit of a boost up the hill. I got everything pared down to just these 4 bags, so it'll be easy to get on the bus. I'm gonna go see if I can get a ride up the volcano. Bike's loaded up and I'm ready to hit the road. Let's go get some breakfast. Sidewalk. Oh, today's proving to be a nice day of biking so far. Bike trails make it easy to get around. I really like it when there's a designated bike path. Stopped and got some food at a burger place and checked out the bus schedule. I still got about an hour to kill, so I'm gonna ride around a little bit, just check out Hilo. Even though it's pretty busy, it's still a really nice place. It's the first time I've seen homeless on the island, and it's hard to see people displaced from their homes from the volcano, but at least it's a nice place to camp out. Hopefully everything will settle down soon. Everybody will be able to get back home. Got the bike unloaded and ready to roll. And now I'm already halfway up the hill. Bonus, let's go find some food. Well, now that I'm off the bus, I'll admit, I'm not exactly sure where I am. But I have service. Just need to start moving. I'll figure it out. Every road leads somewhere. Got a little lost finding the place, but this looks like it. I recognize the treehouse in the back from the B&B ad. Let's go check in. Alright, looks like this is the place. Treehouse is just up there. Let's go check it out. Oh, this looks like just my style. Oh, that's awesome. I'm ready to get out of this biking gear. Oh, this place seems pretty cool. I'm glad I took a rest day. Riding the bus felt like cheating, but when I saw that Vog and that hill, I didn't feel bad about it. Instead, I got a little nap. Felt good. I'll be ready for a long day tomorrow and the next day. So tonight, I'm gonna go soak in the hot tub. Well, this seems like yet another successful Airbnb experience. Yeah, I was a little disappointed that I didn't get to stay down in the area that got flowed over by lava. But so far it's all working out for the best. There it is. You said there was a hot tub here. I just didn't see it. Well, I think I know where I'm heading after I get some food. Got my stuff all unpacked. The clouds are rolling in. I better get on the road, get some food before it starts raining on me. Not that I mind riding in the rain. Just don't really feel like doing it. Let's go. I called up a restaurant, made sure they were open. It's never fun to get somewhere. Realized the Google was totally full of crap, which happens pretty often. It's just a little ways up the road. It feels great to be riding my bike without a load on it. Boy, it makes a difference. You know, this thing handles it well. It's built for it. But having 40 less pounds, that sure is nice. Almost there. I made it to the restaurant, got some food, delicious, and come out. It's raining. It's pretty close to where I'm staying, so I won't have to ride for long. But I'm gonna be ready for that hot tub. All right, here we go. That's not so bad. No, wait, it's getting worse. Okay, yeah, this sucks. It's a good thing it's gonna be a short ride. This is really cold and wet. Oh, shit. Oh, this isn't any fun at all. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away and just try and hammer this one out. Oh man, I made it. Yeah, it is dumping harder than I have seen yet. Oh, it's probably a little dark for you to actually see me. But I'm soaking wet. So I'm gonna get out of these wet clothes and get it in some hot water. Oh man. Yeah, I was pretty disappointed when they closed Volcano National Park's campground because it was gonna be the only hike and bike price I was gonna pay on the island. But I'd be camping tonight. Instead, I'm here in this cool little tree fort bungalow, not getting rained on. This place is awesome. So as the rain starts, these little buckets all make sense. They're just slowly dripping full of water. All these little pipes are routing the water around, and I just got dripped off. But that's okay. Still pretty cool. Oh, this is exactly what I needed. And this hot tub, this rain, these trees. This trip has just been amazing so far. I have no concept of time right now. I just kind of drifted off into hot tub land. Tomorrow should be a fun day. It's less than 30 miles, mostly downhill, and I'm staying at the most expensive place yet. The lady's cut me a crazy deal though. I'm staying in a whole house for like 50 or 60 bucks, so it should be pretty awesome, but